Hey, what's good? My name is Ozma Calafia, and girl, I'm about done with this YouTube channel, to be honest. I'm about done making content. I published my book and I'm happy with it. And so, but I'm here today, and in this video, I'm going to take Hapa and try to fix her jar because I'm here, and so I would like to try to do right by my by Hapa. So I left my keys in the car. Girl. I'm gonna go back over here. I'm gonna try to put you on somewhere. Hi. This is the only video that I'm gonna make today, and then I'll say goodbye. Thanks to the new subscriber, and thank you for any commenters. Yeah, girl, I'm not feeling this YouTube thing. So, context. This is Hapa. This is my corn plant experiment. In a previous video, it fell over and kind of like shattered, but I kept the two pieces that fell off, and I'm gonna try to tape it back together. I figured maybe this could be my last video. I wanted to do a reading, but I don't have energy for it, and yeah, so I got some tape, and I got let me get closer, perhaps. Hi. Yeah, I've been thinking more about the content creation and like YouTube stuff, and this whole journey I've been on, and it just kind of feels like it's sort of over. So, but I still wanted to come out here, and I still have this to do. So I'm gonna try to let me see if I can make sure that you see that. I'm trying to get it to focus. This is kind of a slow video, so wait, make sure the auto. Anyway, okay, whatever. Yeah, girl, this might be my last video. So, oh crap, girl. I didn't bring a tripod, so I'm trying to like put you on this, sorry. I'm trying to put you on this rock here. Okay, so, calm down, Hapa. She's gotten so big that like, she's blowing around in the wind. Okay, so I'm gonna just try to place the pieces back together. And then I got the tape. And I just take a little piece off. Try to align it back together as best I can. oops, a little piece of corn leaf in there. Okay, oh darn it. Okay. Okay, there we go. There's one. Just kind of wrap that over. Okay, that's one piece. Where I put the other piece? Oh, it fell. Okay. So now let's put the other piece in there. Okay, hold on. Gotta get the tape. I'll do that side first. Okay. Okay, try to align that. I appreciate all the people who have subscribed and like been supportive in the comments and stuff. I just kind of don't, I'm just kind of not feeling doing this anymore. As in like coming out here and like calling myself Ozma Calafia and like doing a channel and stuff. But I did try it out, so I wanted to try it out, and I did, so I can at least say that I tried it out, and I finished the book, so that's for free, and people can take that, and I mean, I'll try to use the book too, and I'll try to like make use of it in my own life, and hopefully it'll help, and I hope it does some good for anybody else out there. Okay, so it's kind of, can you still see that? I might just put another piece down there. And tear it off. Okay. There we go. Yeah, that's better, sort of. It looks kind of silly, but at least it's like sort of repaired. And there's still some shatters down through here. I have to be kind of gentle with the whole thing. But look at how big it's gotten. Look at it. It's genuinely, it's grown like 3 times the size. I'm amazed by how much it's grown. Or I probably shouldn't set it right there. I'm just trying to get a good shot of it. See that? Yep. Don't y'all never say I didn't try to take care of Hapa. Yeah, so if this is my last video, then it might be. So peace out, and thank you to all the people who have subscribed and joined me on this journey so far. And I'm a little bummed that I didn't finish and get my goal of 50 subscribers and take the ferry to San Francisco and whatnot, but it's blah blah blah. Take care, y'all. Bye.